When most people think of AI influencers, they picture perfectly generated digital models executing complex dance routines to whatever audio is trending on TikTok that week. Actual revenue. Think of it like a performer doing backflips in the middle of a crowded shopping mall. People will stop, they will watch, they might even clap, but then they walk away without spending a dime. This flowchart illustrates the difference between attention and intent. The left side is the performer, but the right side is the window mannequin. A mannequin has no motion or viral appeal, but highly targeted styling drives the right buyer inside to purchase. Creators quietly making the most money in the AI space operate strictly on the mannequin model. They build user-generated content, or UGC, digital influencers. They actively ignore viral trends. Instead, they engineer highly relatable, middle-class digital personas whose sole purpose is to review and recommend everyday physical products. Optimizing an algorithm for maximum entertainment yields hollow metrics. The actual business model is engineering peer-to-peer trust. Forging that trust starts on the technical backend, right at the initial text prompt used to build the avatar's base identity. If the character looks like a mathematically perfect supermodel, the illusion immediately breaks. Consumers simply do not take lifestyle or product recommendations from a flawless, plastic-looking robot. Creators prioritize relatable imperfections over digital perfection. They explicitly instruct the AI to generate pores, uneven skin texture, and the kind of unpolished lighting you would find in a typical bedroom. Once the persona exists, the creator faces a difficult technical hurdle, seamlessly inserting a real, physical product, like a specific brand of perfume, into digital hands that don't actually exist. This visual equation demonstrates how they solve it. The software takes the consistent AI character reference on one side, takes the isolated e-commerce product image on the other, and calculates a merged final composite. The system analyzes the ambient light of the digital room, generates corresponding shadows across the real product's label, and maps the exact finger placement required to make the grip look entirely natural. The feeling of authenticity we get from these images isn't human at all. It is a meticulously calculated dataset designed to lower our defenses. A realistic photo is highly effective at establishing parasocial connection, but converting that connection into an actual sale requires video motion and a voice. Creators feed their static images into video generation models to execute a soft sell. The avatar sits in a slightly messy room and offers a casual, low-pressure recommendation, mirroring the cadence of a friend chatting over FaceTime. If that avatar suddenly drops into a hard pitch and tells the viewer to click the link in my bio, the spell breaks. The viewer remembers they are watching an advertisement. To keep the illusion intact, the avatar simply asks the viewer to leave a specific keyword in the comments, like the word mint, if they want the details on the product. This diagram shows the back-end automation that makes the strategy profitable. As soon as a user comments that keyword, an automated system instantly sends them a direct message containing the affiliate link, securing the commission. This system functions as an autonomous, closed-loop sales funnel, managing everything from the first impression to the final affiliate click, without human intervention. Traditional e-commerce is bottlenecked by physical constraints. Brands have to book photographers, hire human models, rent studio space, and manage inventory logistics for every single campaign. In this synthetic ecosystem, a single operator can manage a portfolio of niche AI authorities simultaneously across different platforms. Because the entire pipeline is fully digital, they can swap an outfit, pivot to a new demographic, and review thousands of retail items without ever buying a single piece of physical stock. The avatars positioned to dominate the retail landscape aren't the ones performing perfect choreography. They're the ones replicating the subtle, mundane flaws of human life so accurately that buyers never realize they're handing their money to lines of code.